So I'm really bad at surprises. So if I want to somewhat surprise Katelyn, I just have to ask her to not ask questions while I'm being suspicious.
You're being really suspicious.
Yeah, we're out in the middle of the woods. I think this is a good place. Let's go over here.
A good place for what?
I don't know. Do you have any guesses?
I mean, we're outside, which makes me think it could be something messy. You bought action cams, more action cams. So I'm like, are we actioning? Are we doing activities? Are we gonna like climb trees? Are we going to, I don't know.
This video is sponsored by Bespoke Post. More on them later.
Do you remember how I asked you to be my girlfriend?
It was a Nerf gun battle.
A Nerf gun battle. But Nerf battles wouldn't be good out in the middle of the woods.
No, you'd lose your darts.
You'd lose all your darts.
What is this? A laser gun?
Team 2. Team 1.
Is it a laser?
Press the trigger at 3, 2, 1, go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
What's happening? What's happening? No, don't shoot me. Wait, how does it know that I'm a target?
Okay. No, it's not actually starting yet. It's not actually starting. This is gonna be so much fun. Laser battle. This is all you need. This
is awesome.
This is it.
You don't have to pick up darts.
You have your health right here.
Okay.
Strength. You have your ammo right here. Oh. Boom.
Okay.
And you reload and then push up here.
Okay, what are the rules?
First off, we need to gear up.
Are we dual wielding? Is that why there's 4 blasters?
That's for round 3. Don't get ahead of yourself.
You look scared.
Do you have any questions about the use of the guns?
Do I aim at your gun?
Aim at my gun.
Okay.
Yeah, don't aim at me.
So if I do like a knee shot, that's not gonna do anything.
Nothing, yeah.
Dang it, that was my plan.
All right, so one thing I forgot to mention is that there's stakes to this battle, Katelyn.
What do you have in mind?
The loser has to tell an embarrassing story to our entire audience. I'll be team 2, you be team 1.
Do we do like a 10-second countdown?
It'll count you down. Ready, fire at me? Yeah, once it stops beeping. All right. I see her.
Do you think it can shoot through trees?
Oh no? Unlimited ammo, you just gotta reload every now and then.
Oh, I forgot to reload. Oh God, wait, pause, time out, my head.
Your head?
Yeah, my head. Hold on. My ponytail bounced off my headgear. My ponytail is too buoyant.
The things I didn't account for when I was planning for this video.
Okay. I'm just reloading. You ready?
Ready?
Okay.
Yeah! Oh, jeez!
Good.
I'm half health!
What if I just block it with my body?
That's cheating! That's cheating!
Okay, fine.
You're behind a rock!
You didn't say a rock was cheating!
Oh.
What are you at?
Low health.
I have 3 strength left.
Oh.
Oh no!
Gotta keep up the pressure.
Oh no! Oh no! I've got 1 left. I've got 1 left. I've got 1 left.
What are you at?
I've got 1.
I've got 1 too. I'm coming for you. No! 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 No!
I got you! Oh my god. I had one left. I had one left.
That was so much fun.
So fun.
Thank you for doing this with me.
That was a close match.
Okay.
I also worried we would run into some casual joggers.
Okay, round 1, victory.
Round 1.
Yes.
Wait, how many rounds are we doing?
3. Are you ready?
I didn't pace myself for this.
Okay, so there's a new functionality that's been added to the game. Shield. You have 10 seconds of shield, full invulnerability. Watch this. Press on the shield. Go ahead and shoot me. Up, up. You can only activate it every 2 seconds.
Oh.
All right, fire at me. But see, my shield's running out.
Oh.
So you only have 10 seconds of shield and it's separate from your health. While you're running at them, shield up, and then unleash once they're out of ammo.
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
This is really fun. Now time to scout a location where I have the advantage.
Oh. So I see that Katelyn has chosen a place with not much headroom.
Yeah.
Is that your plan?
Maybe.
3, 2, 1. Okay, remember, shields are allowed now.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Wait, you can't shoot.
Yeah, you can't shoot and shield at the same time.
I didn't know that.
Of course you can't shoot and shield at the same time. Everyone knows that. Ooh, I'm gonna hide behind this tiny tree. That's illegal! That's illegal! Oh my gosh, I'm down to 2. Oh no.
The best defense is a good offense.
Oh my gosh!
Did I kill you?
She killed me. How many health are you at?
I got 3 left, baby.
No, I shouldn't cheat. I shouldn't cheat. Good round, but will I beat you in the 3rd and final round? Winner takes all.
Oh, so it's not 2 out of 3, it's winner takes all.
Winner takes all. The first 2 were practice.
Okay, you pick the spot.
All right. See any good spots for the next round?
It's so hard to see through this thick brush.
Oh, well, I have a solution to that.
Isn't that the axe you used to cut my hair?
Yeah, it was actually a gift we got years ago, and it's from today's sponsor, Bespoke Post.
Bespoke Post is a free-to-join monthly membership club delivering top-shelf goods like outdoor gear, kitchenware, clothing, and more from under-the-radar brands. There are new products every month, and each box has at least $70 in value, but costs only $45.
Oh no! Our crappy duffel bag broke.
Don't worry, we got this weekender bag from Bespoke Post.
Look, it's made of canvas with a reinforced frame.
Oh man, all this vigorous sponsor ad shooting really has me hungry.
No worries. We also got gourmet popcorn from Bespoke Post. Let's take a snack break. It comes with a collapsible silicone bowl that simulates the popping style of disposable bags without the waste. A package.
Is that your Bespoke Post knife?
Yeah. It's made of Damascus and recycled skateboards.
If you're looking for a gift for yourself or others this year and you want to get 20% off your first box, click the link in the description and enter Evan and Katelyn 20 at checkout, or go to bspk.me/Evan and Katelyn 20. When you click our link, it'll prompt you to take a short quiz to tailor the boxes to you. 90% of the Bespoke Post products come from small businesses, and you only pay for the boxes you want.
Guess we should go back to the woods, right? So the 3 locations was a good plan, but wow, we've been searching for 30 minutes now and we are so hot. So I think this is a great place. There are gonna be 2 live guns right here in the middle of us. And we have to run and get the extra guns while taking fire from the other person.
So we're gonna...
Yeah, if you can get the second gun, we're gonna be dual wielding.
Oh my God.
But the guns are gonna be out in the open. So if you go for the gun, you're gonna take fire.
Okay,
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my God!
I used the shield. I used the shield. Did he remember to use the shield?
No!
I'm not double full strength. Did I get you at all?
You destroyed my gun with the GoPro.
Oh, are you dead in the GoPro one?
It's dead.
Oh, yeah, the plan worked.
Wait, but I still have another gun.
Yeah, but I have 2 guns.
I didn't get you at all. Ah, I'm going into the woods. I'm going into the woods. He can't get me here.
I'm still at full strength. I'm still at full strength.
Oh God. Oh no.
Oh, this is so much fun. Oh,
I'm going deep.
you are going down.
Shield.
Did I get you?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
You destroyed me. You destroyed me.
I still have half strength on both of these.
Oh, you really got me on that one.
But for real, it's best 2 out of 3. You won.
Thank you. We both did a great job.
Oh, man. All right, well, hopefully we got some usable footage from all of that craziness.
So, and if not, we still had a fun time.
We had a really fun time. Katelyn, should I surprise you with more videos?
Yeah, I'm down, honestly.
All right, guys, hope you had as much fun watching this as we had making it. Hope you're having a great day and look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, time for your embarrassing story.
Okay, so this actually might be a little bit embarrassing for you too.
What? That's not part of the deal.
Something that I don't think you know.
Okay.
I never broke up with one of my girlfriends.
What?
I still might have a girlfriend after like
You have a girlfriend?
20 years or something. No, even longer than that. I don't even want to, it was a long time ago. So I was like 12 or something like that. And my friends encouraged me to ask out this girl that I thought was kind of cute. And so I asked her out. We were boyfriend, girlfriend, and we held hands for like 3 days.
I mean, that counts.
And then I just like didn't know what to do after that. So I stopped talking to her. I didn't like talk to her at all. I didn't break up with her. I just like hid from her.
Oh no.
And then I moved.
Oh no. Oh no. I don't know what to do with this new information. Are we in like a polyamorous relationship? What's happening?
Surprise!